In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off GST on Shopify. Before we begin, a quick note. GST is a tax requirement in some regions. Only turn it off if you're not required to charge it or if your pricing and compliance setup has changed. If you're unsure, check local regulations or talk to a tax professional so your store remains compliant. Let's get started inside your Shopify admin. Sign into your store so you're on the main dashboard. From there, look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where all of your store-wide configurations live, including taxes. Inside Settings, find and open Taxes and Duties. This page lists the regions where your store is currently set to calculate taxes. You'll see your country listed here if you've previously set up GST or any regional tax rules. Locate your country in the list. This is the country where GST is being applied. Next to that country, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the kebab menu. Click that menu to reveal more actions. Choose Remove. Shopify will ask for confirmation to make sure you really want to turn off tax calculation for that country. Confirm by clicking Remove again. And that's it. GST is now turned off for that country. Going forward, customers in that region will no longer see GST calculated at checkout and new orders won't include it. A few helpful tips to keep in mind. If you sell to multiple countries or regions, each one is managed separately in this taxes and duties area, so you may need to repeat the same removal process for any other places where GST or similar taxes were enabled. If you previously showed prices that included tax, remember that turning off GST changes how totals appear at checkout. Your product prices won't automatically adjust, they'll simply stop showing a separate tax line. If you rely on tax reports, expect future reports to reflect zero GST collected for that region after this change. If your admin layout looks a little different, Shopify may have updated the interface, but the taxes and duties section will still be in settings. If you need to re-enable GST later, you can return to taxes and duties and add the country back with the appropriate tax settings. That flexibility makes it easy to adapt as your business needs change. You've now successfully turned off GST on Shopify quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.